Oh, there he goes. Oh, no, no. He's going for it. He got it. He got it. Hook set. Alright, another video starting at Walmart. So today I decided to go fishing. What is today? I think today, let me check, is the 28th, I think? No, today's the 27th. So anyways, I decided to get up and go fishing this morning because it's supposed to be 55 degrees, which is relatively warm for the winter. So I decided I'd pick up some more worms, and I'm also going to just pick up a random lure and see what I can get off of those two items today. But anyways, I'm about to head in here, grab those, and then head to the creek. Okay, so I decided to start with worms. When I first got here, heard some fish swim off, so it's definitely a positive sign. But the times that I've fished here in the past, I haven't been that successful. This is why I decided to start with worms. Worms seem to work best in the winter, at least for me they do compared to artificials. But I did end up buying a few 99-cent artificials while I was in Walmart, so I'm gonna try those out today. There we go, fish on. All right. Whew. All right, 15 minutes in, first fish of the day, shell cracker. Get him back. Okay, so 15 minutes in, one fish, and I decided to move down a little bit so I can see fish from where I'm standing, which probably means they could see me. But I'm gonna keep the worm on probably for about an hour, and I'll switch to artificials. I would love to come here and to bite beyond one day. Every time I come here, like I was saying earlier, just a few fish maybe. I've tried so many different methods here and lures, and worms always work best here for me. I don't know how pressured this place is, but it's pretty big, and I don't ever really see too many other people fishing. But then again, I also don't come here too often. But if I could get 3 fish today, I'll make a video. Slow day. Oh, there we go, fish on. Stay on, come on. Whew. All right, little bluegill. All right, fish number 2. 10 minutes later, little bluegill. I saw a good bit of panfish when I was walking over this direction, so hopefully they all haven't swam off, or I haven't scared them off, but not too bad today. Definitely not as fast paced as the last day, but having fun. Just to catch anything in the winter is always good. So I just hit it. There we go. Another bluegill. Okay, there's a big old shell cracker. I'm gonna see if I can get him. Come on. Don't scare him off. He's right, probably about 6 feet in front of me, 7. I cast over him. I'm gonna slowly bring it back towards him. I'm lined up with him. Come on, nothing else, take it. Oh no, I lost him. Where'd he go? Oh, there he goes. Oh no, no. He's going for it. He got it, he got it. Hook set. Oh, I can't believe that. Oh man, look at this guy. Big old shell cracker, man. Perfect hook set to the top of the mouth. Man. Definitely hand size. Skin him back. Smallest fish of the day. And another red breast. I'm gonna let this be the last fish for the day. Take off. But until then, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.